If you're trying to send your first e-transfer using Wealthsimple and the app looks a bit different, this will clear it up fast. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through the updated process using Wealthsimple. Start by opening your Wealthsimple app and logging in. From your main dashboard, tap into your cash account. Once you're inside, look for the e-transfer button. Tap on it. Since this is your first time sending money, your contacts list will be empty. So go ahead and tap New to add a contact. Now you'll be asked to enter the recipient's details. Type in their email or phone number and their name. Take a second here to double check everything. A small mistake can send money to the wrong person. Then tap Next at the bottom. On the next screen, enter the amount you want to send. You'll also see options to choose when to send it and whether this should be a one-time or recurring transfer. If you're just sending money once, leave it as a one-time transfer. At the bottom, make sure your Wealthsimple checking account is selected. This is where the money will come from. Then tap Next. Now you'll need to create a security question and answer. This is important. The person receiving the money will need this answer to deposit the funds. So choose something simple and make sure you send them the answer separately. Once that's done, tap Next. Now you'll see a confirmation screen. Review everything carefully. Check the name, email or phone number, and the amount. If everything looks correct, tap Send Money at the bottom. And that's it. Interac e-transfer will process the transfer. Quick tip. If your recipient has auto deposit turned on, they won't need the security answer and the money will go through automatically. If not, make sure they have the correct answer so there are no delays. That's the updated way to send an e-transfer using Wealthsimple. If this helped you out, subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more simple, step-by-step tutorials like this.